I'm Ryan Baker. I'm here with my family's 1956 Pegaso Z-102. My family, we acquired this car back in 1972. My father and grandfather restored this car in 94. First show we took it to was Pebble Beach in 94, and we've been showing it ever since. It's got a 3.2 liter 4-cam Hemi V8, dual 4-barrel Webers. It was guaranteed to exceed 150 miles an hour from the factory. The Super Leggera body, so it's all lightweight, and it's got lightning holes all throughout the chassis, suspension, Carlo Burani wire wheels, Nardi steering wheel. Dad told me that he figured out with this car when he first started on it, he knew nothing about the engine, and his logic going into it with rebuilding the engine and restoring the car was, well, if man made it, I can fix it. So that's my logic on the car too. If man made it, I can fix it. It's one of those things where with this car, there's not like a Haynes manual you can go and buy and go, okay, well, this is what the valve adjustment should be. It's something that you have to take it apart. You just gotta go for it and make your own parts. But here it is, another show, and I couldn't be happier to be out here with it again. It's great. I love it.